오늘도 영어하세요. 화이팅!
쇼핑하러 가요.
I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping.
가장 좋아하는 책은 무엇인가요?
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
긴장돼요.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
늦어서 죄송해요.
I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late.
몇 시에 일어나나요?
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
몇 시에 자나요?
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
음식은 어떤가요?
How's the food? How's the food? How's the food?
저는 채식주의자예요.
I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian.
계산서 좀 가져다 주시겠어요?
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
이 자리 비었나요?
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
메뉴판 좀 주시겠어요?
Can I have a menu, please? Can I have a menu, please? Can I have a menu, please?
근처에 우체국이 있나요?
Is there a post office around here? Is there a post office around here? Is there a post office around here?
음식은 어떤가요?
How's the food? How's the food? How's the food?
2명 테이블 있나요?
Do you have a table for two? Do you have a table for two? Do you have a table for two?
예약을 하고 싶어요.
I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation.
피곤해요.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired.
이걸 어떻게 켜나요?
How do I turn this on? How do I turn this on? How do I turn this on?
이걸 어떻게 끄나요?
How do I turn this off? How do I turn this off? How do I turn this off?
설명을 이해하지 못해요.
I don't understand the instructions. I don't understand the instructions. I don't understand the instructions.
숙제를 도와주실 수 있나요?
Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework?
가장 좋아하는 스포츠는 무엇인가요?
What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport?
행복해요.
I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy.
창문 좀 열어주세요.
Can you open the window? Can you open the window? Can you open the window?
창문 좀 닫아주세요.
Can you close the window? Can you close the window? Can you close the window?
소금 좀 가져다 주시겠어요?
Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt?
후추 좀 가져다 주시겠어요?
Can you pass me the pepper? Can you pass me the pepper? Can you pass me the pepper?
오늘은 몇 월 몇일이에요?
What's the date today? What's the date today? What's the date today?
신분증 좀 보여주세요.
Can you show me your ID? Can you show me your ID? Can you show me your ID?
여권 좀 보여주세요.
Can you show me your passport? Can you show me your passport? Can you show me your passport?
반려동물이 있나요?
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?